I'm Jacqueline.
I'm Amanda.
And welcome to our YouTube channel. Have you been struggling with problematic skin?
Oh my god, who loves bronzer?
It feels very like multi-level marketing.
Feeling dry
And decrepit.
So how do you use them? No.
After working for years as makeup artists, we both transitioned to natural products and working with natural products in 2013.
We then opened up a green beauty store called the Green Beauty Collective, which we ran for about 3 years and has since shut down so that we can focus more on education.
If you've been a subscriber of ours for a while, you know that we have featured and talked and educated about a lot of products that we sold on our online store.
Moving forward, we do want to expand the content of this channel from being simply product focused to be more educational and informational.
We want to open up the doors to working with new brands, new collaborations, and really honest information so that when you watch our videos, you feel really inspired and you can walk away with that knowledge and more information about the health, beauty, and wellness industry.
If you do watch our videos from 2019 or older, you will notice that we do reference our online store pretty much with every video, but that retail store is not around anymore, but the website will be an access point and a good hub of information and education.
We decided not to take down any of this content or any of the videos where we do recommend product because we still believe that all of this information is still knowledgeable, it's still useful, and it's still really good for you if you are finding that you want to now transition to natural products.
We look forward to continue to educate and build our collective in the future.
If you'd like to stay up to date with us, make sure to subscribe here on YouTube and follow us at the Green Beauty Collective on Instagram. And we really look forward to making more videos for you in the future, and make sure to stay up to date with us for future collaborations.
Thanks to everybody who has subscribed so far. We really appreciate your support.